Hello, good evening to you all. Good evening, good day, and good night, or whatever time you are watching this. Um, I would first like to introduce myself. My name is William, and I am very interested in using this YouTube channel as an educational tool to provide you with the highest quality of information that I can give in order to really establish a system. Alright, let's get to it. This is the first in a series of educational videos I will do on economics and economic systems. In this series we will discuss various economic systems around the world and compare and contrast them in order to get a better grasp of what they mean, their productive capacity, and really how life is in those countries because of their economic systems. But first we'll start off with what economics is and why it is important. First of all, what is economics? Economics is defined as the science of the social science, really, that studies the means, causes, and production of a general society, area, company, or village, or what have you. Really, at the most basic level, is economics studies our relationships, our trade, what we do for what, essentially. Why is economics important? Well, economics is important, first of all, because we have scarcity. What is scarcity? Scarcity is really, it means that we don't really have everything we want or everything we need in this world. Everything is scarce. For example, I have a pen, okay? I have a pen. Say I like pens, I really like pens, I really want to collect them. Well, I don't really have enough money to collect as many pens as I would like, but I save up and collect as many as I can. That's an example of scarcity. Let's say I have infinite dollars in order to collect pens. Well, there's not infinite pens in the world, so I can't really collect infinite pens. So my needs will never really be satisfied. My wants will never really be satisfied. We can satisfy some of the basic needs and wants of our lives, but we can't satisfy every need and every want. So economics studies how these resources are allocated. What does allocation mean? It's allocated means that who gets what, when, where, and how. Okay. Basically, economics studies how we deal with the world as it is. And the world as it is can be a scary place. We have scarce land, we have scarce people, we have scarce hours in the day. Everything is limited. Everything we have and everything we know of is limited. Even the universe itself is projected to be limited in space, but we won't get into that. That's a cause for physics. So basically, what this scarcity means is that we must make a trade-off. A trade-off is essentially we trade something for something else, something we think is of lesser value for something we think of as higher value. For example, if I trade my hours, my free time, for money, I must think that that money that I'm getting for those hours that I work is more valuable than that free time that I had in the beginning. It's the same is true with just about anything. If I have $5 in my pocket and I want to buy something, if I want a meal or I want a bottle of water or something, and I'm out and I want a bottle of water and a candy bar, in that bottle. And sorry about that. And well, that bottle of water and that candy bar must mean more to me than that $5 in my pocket. We'll get to currency later and really how that's a fiction, but let's stick to the point. In a more basic sense, for example, if I have a TV that I don't really need, and someone else has a computer, and they want TV, I trade my TV for their computer, and then we're both satisfied. So that's trade. So basically the idea here is that through interaction, we as human beings can deal with this scarcity and find newer and better ways to deal with this scarcity. And that's why we study economics, and that's why economics is an important social science for us to try to understand. Thank you very much, and in further videos, in the next video, I will go into some more of the details, some of the history of economic thought and its implications in the modern world. We will also go over a variety of economic topics. Good day to you.